In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto sprint and keep sprinting in Once Human. So, by default, on your keyboard, this is the tilde key on your keyboard, which you can find just below your escape key in the very left top side of your screen. So if I press this, I'm not holding anything right now, just my mouse with my right hand, and I'm automatically sprinting with my character inside the game. I just stopped it now. So yeah, you can find it over there. Tilde is basically that little wave icon. Looks like a wave. It's not really a dash, but kind of a wavy dash. And if you want to change this, you can of course go into settings, open up your settings, go inside your keyboard, and then in here you will see keep sprinting, and here you can see you have it on tilde key. If you want to change it, simply press it, input your new key, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can change your keep sprinting key and keep on sprinting without having to hold a button or press anything on your keyboard. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can auto sprint in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.